my name is Andy, and I'm here to teach you guys how to run CNC machine. I'm using a Mastercam version 9. People ask me what is a CNC. So a CNC stands for computer numerical control, and I have been working with this field over 14 years now. I want to share with the people that need it. I remember when when I would struggle to learn and cannot afford it. And not to mention the class was I take it too far to drive, especially like at night. Every time I come back from work, I have to go to class. It's really stressful. No sleep, cannot concentrate. It was terrible. I wish I know they have somewhere to learn like YouTube right now. Because I spend so much time and money out of my pocket just to learn, and not to mention they only teach you a little bit at a time. It took me forever. When you taking a part-time class, right? It takes so long. So it took me about almost 3 years just to get to know, the way I'm at. So, when I got a job, they hired me as a CNC operator, so I had to wait. I had to wait people to get demoted and promoted so I can get the chance to take their place, So it took me a little bit of time. So if you guys, want to learn about CNC programming, you can visit my channel and take it from there. Or maybe somebody that want to learn and share with them. And that's all.